Welcome to part 4 of the Basil Grow series. In this episode, we're going to do a nutrient change out, a pruning, and stick these cuttings in my NFT system to see if we can get them to root. Carefully, we're going to pull out the basil plant, try not to hurt the roots. And I must say, that's a healthy ball of roots. It's been about 3 weeks, there's about 2 inches of water left in the container. Time for a refill. I mixed some master blend to half strength and I pH to 6.0. I filled up the container to 2/3 full. Carefully put your plant back in your plastic container. And now we're gonna give her a trim. This is where I did my first prune a couple weeks back. It was just a single sprout. And since I did that, now I got 4 main shoots coming up. Now we're gonna give her another trim. I'm gonna trim right above the node. Or now that we pruned the 4 main stems, now we should get 8 stems coming up. I'm gonna go ahead and set her back in the window and let her do her thing. Now I'm gonna take 2 of these basil cuttings, trim them up so they got a long stem. I'm gonna go ahead and set it in my NFT system, see how they do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to catch the next episode. Thank you for watching.